Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to link services to your wallet on the MoneyLover application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that go to the My Wallet section and click on the See All button. Tap on Link to Services down below, and here you can link services to your wallet. So you can type in the name of that particular service that you want to add into the search bar at the top, or you can also select from these preset options. There are 2 or 3 categories such as banks, services, and if you click on the More button you are going to see all of them that are available. So just simply click on the relevant one, and then you will be able to connect it to your account if you are a premium member on the MoneyLover application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.